We are back with Princess Gina, and we are in the middle of a raging blizzard hitting the northeast. And taking her out is always a chore because it snows already a third of the way up her paws. Go ahead, girl. Wow, look at that snow come down. Holy cow. I tell you, these days I am seriously thinking about moving to Arizona. This winter has been bad. You trying to figure out where to go? And Gina, she's happy, even in weather like this. Go get him, girl. Come here. Let's go. You're having a hard time? It's snow getting thick, girl. I don't know hey, go pretty girl. Good, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, we always get you safely back.